Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the LED, resistor, Bluetooth module, HC05/HC06, microcontroller, and a stable 5V supply. Connect GND to GND and VCC to 5V so the module gets power immediately. Make sure the LED has a resistor in series and correct polarity. Once done, hook the module TX to your microcontroller RX and RX to TX, and secure all connections. This first wiring step gets you into testing quickly while avoiding blown LED. You now program the microcontroller to read serial characters over UART and translate those into LED control, typically using PWM for brightness. Make sure the code handles the module baud rate, default 9600, and that you set a pairing name or PIN if required so your phone finds it. Once done, open a serial terminal on your computer or phone to send simple commands and observe LED response. This isolates software from wireless issues and confirms your signal mapping is correct. You finish by pairing your phone to the Bluetooth module using the name and PIN, then send control commands to verify LED on/off and brightness adjustments. Once paired, calibrate PWM limits and add simple command debouncing in firmware to prevent flicker. Make sure you mount components securely and route power properly for reliability. If things go wrong, check power rails first. Then verify TX/RX aren't swapped and that the module and microcontroller share the same baud rate and common ground. This one tip fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.